So what is the meaning of array? Array mean a collection of variable, right? So if you want to store a collection of variable of the same type, then you can use array. But in shell, you can store in any type because all the variables are stored using as a string inside the memory. So a shell variable is capable enough to hold single value. These variables are called scalar variable. Normally we have normal variable, then we are calling that scalar variable. Then not we have array variable. Shell support array variable which can hold multiple values at the same time. For example, I am going to create one file, touch array.sh for the array.shell script file. You can see I have this file. So we'll open this in text editor. Now I am going to add bash line. So my bash location is which bash, use a bin bash, right? So tell the path of the bash, we are adding this line. Then not when it executing this file, it will always execute using bash shell. Use a bin bash, right? So think we have to get 100 people age or name. For example, I'm going to get the name. Name 1 will be equal to Jack. Then name 2, it will be equal to again, and name 3 will be equal to John, right? Okay, now we have tree names. So for the tree name, this fine you can create tree variable, you can take tree input. Now think you have 1000 names, 10,000 names. What you are going to do? Are you going to create 10,000 variables? Then have to call each variable and again. So rather than creating these 10,000 variable, you can create one array and you can give a name for that array and you can assign a size. So like that. Here instead of creating tree name, you can create one name. Then not you can give an index. So index 0 will be Jack. Then same array, index 1 will be, and name second index, it will be, I'm going to give it as a John. Now same thing, but here you can see we have only one variable it has index, right? So index 0 will be Jack, index 1 will be and index 2 will be John. So rather than calling this variable like this, echo name 1 is, then after $name1, you can call array variable like this. So these are the array variable, right? Shell arrays. Normally in other programming language we are using to store the same type collection of variable, but here all the variables are storing as a string, then type is not a matter. Instead of John, you can store 45 a number also. Now I'm going to output this one, echo array name 1 which is equal to, so normally to output we are using dollar symbol, then after variable name, but for the array we are using dollar symbol, opening curly brace, then after array name and index, right? So now I'm going to execute this one. We'll run this file. So we have array name, then after dollar sign, opening curly brace, then array name, index, right? So bash array.sh. Now you can see we are getting the value of index 1, that means second value. If I place index 0, then it will give first value, that means I'm going to place 0 here. So I need to place closing bracket and bracket, right? So we'll save this file and I'm going to run this one again. You can see now it is first index. So in array, index is starting from 0 till the end of the line. So first element will be 0 in the index value. Now think I want to output all the elements, right? So for that you can use I'm using command display all element of array. For this you can use echo, then or else you can output names will be equal to again $symbol array name, but here instead of index you are passing asterisk, right? You can pass asterisk keyword, then not it will print all the element in your array. Bash array dot sh, you can see it is printing Jack and 45 all the element. So this is one way. We have another way to print all the element. Echo, you can use names 2 will be equal to $name in our array name. Instead of asterisk you can pass add symbol, right? So add symbol also will print all the element in our array. I'm going to save this file. Now we'll run this one. You can see it should print all the elements. So we got error. Let's see. Right, we need to end this line. Now I'm going to compile this one again. You can see it is printing same output, right? Jack and 45 all the array element. So to give value we are using array name, then after index and value. So let's don't keep any space around this equal sign, assignment sign, otherwise it will treat this as a command, right? So we aren't placing any space around assignment sign. So to get individual element, $symbol, opening curly brace, then after array name and index. So to print all the element you can use asterisk, and in future we will use loop. Right, so we will meet with the new shell scripting video.